Saw this all over my FYP, but is it actually worth the hype? Let's find out. Day 1, starting with $200. Expectations low, praying for a miracle. Day 7, okay, wait, is that progress? Balance is growing, not a miracle yet, but we're getting somewhere. Day 30, wait, 80,600 TMO, unbelievable. Confidence activated. Okay, yeah, I'm obsessed. Join the Hatch Pocket Option Challenge and show your before and after. High risk, high reward, and high loss. Binary options, a gamble on asset prices, predict up or down in seconds. Get it wrong? Kiss your investment goodbye. It's thrilling but risky. Think twice before diving in. Your wallet might not survive the plunge. Pocket option isn't regulated by major financial authorities like the SEC or FCA. This means there's little protection for traders if things go wrong. Investing here, it's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. Sure, the thrill is real, but so is the risk. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay informed, stay cautious, and protect your investments. Ever seen those ads promising huge profits? Yeah, they're often too good to be true. Many are just bait to get you to deposit money. These claims usually come from marketers earning commissions. They conveniently ignore how many people actually lose money. So next time you see one, think twice before jumping in. Turning $200 into 80K, let's get real for a second. Even with perfect trades, it's a long shot. You'd need a streak of flawless decisions. And timing, it has to be spot on every time. Mistakes? Not an option, but in real trading, they're inevitable. So let's keep our expectations grounded, because in the world of trading, nothing's guaranteed. I'm about to put you on to 3 smart money moves that will change your financial game. Move number 1, learn about risk management and legitimate investing like stocks and ETFs. Secure your future, unlocked. Move number 2, practice with demo accounts before putting real money into high-risk platforms. No more financial regrets, I got you. Move number 3, be skeptical of anyone promising easy money, because your wallet deserves protection too, duh. Which move are you trying first? Or did I just make you rethink your strategy? Be honest.